What if I told you that you might be able to get paid just for using Google like you already do, without selling products, creating videos, or paying for ads? That's exactly what thousands of people are talking about with Google's Cash Loophole. But does it really work, or is it just hype? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you should click the link in the description and try it yourself. Hey everyone, today we're breaking down Google's Cash Loophole, a beginner-friendly system claiming you can get paid $67 every time you use Google Gemini AI. If you're tired of complex online income methods or have tried and failed before, this might grab your attention. But if you're expecting instant life-changing money with zero effort, keep watching, because we'll cut through the marketing and give you the honest truth. On paper, this program says, no skills needed, works on any device, set up in minutes. Google pays you just for using its AI. Sounds crazy? That's because the sales page uses some big language like loophole and $2.5 billion opportunity, which should make anyone cautious. Here's what you actually get after purchase: a step-by-step system that walks you through how the tool works, training videos to help you set up quickly, bonuses like affiliate campaigns and autoplay bots, a 180-day money-back guarantee. But remember, the core benefit isn't literally Google paying you per click. It's a monetization system that claims to leverage traffic or usage patterns with AI tools. Think of it like an experiment, not a guaranteed salary. I know what you're thinking. Is this a scam? Not exactly. It's a real system sold on a reputable platform with a refund window. But the earnings presented, like $67 per use, are marketing examples, not certified income proof. So, approach with realistic expectations. Users online report some results: quick setup, low friction, and activity that could generate small income streams. But many also say the sales page overhypes earnings, especially instant large daily profits. Compared to simply buying an ebook or another get-rich-quick tool, this system walks you through steps and gives long refund time. But if your goal is building a brand, long-term affiliate business, or teaching skills, those methods are more reliable than expecting AI to pay you per use. Here's the real deal. Google's Cash isn't some mythical money machine that prints cash while you sleep. It's a system you test, follow the steps, and see if it fits your schedule. Because this space is full of exaggerated claims, transparency matters. If you want to give Google's Cash Loophole a shot, especially at the limited discounted price with bonuses and a 180-day refund, check the link in the description. Just remember to approach it as an experiment, not a guaranteed paycheck. Click the link, see if it works for you, and let me know how it goes in the comments.